How to crop video on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. After opening CapCut, click on Add a New Project. Click on New Project. Then select your video. Click on the video icon. Scroll all the way to the left and you'll find Edit. Click on Edit and then click on Crop. You can crop however you want, or simply click on ratios which are available in the below. You can select any ratio you want and simply click on tick mark on bottom right. Then simply save your video after it's cropped. That's how you crop video on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.